LINQ stands for Language Integrated Query. It allows us to query data directly inside C# code using SQL-like syntax. LINQ can be used with collections, arrays, database, XML, and entity framework. First, let me create an employee class which represents a real-time database table. Then each employee has an ID, name, department, and salary. Now I'm going to create a list of employees. This list will behave like a database table stored in memory. We will use this data for all LINQ examples. We will do copy and then paste the details and change the name, department, salary parameters and their value. Now our list is ready with employee details. Then we will create a program class in which all our LINQ examples will be listed. In this, we will call our list of employees in the class program. This is used to access the static list from the employee class. Then we will use a for each loop to get all the parameters from the employee list. Now we will get all our employee list details as an output. There are two types of LINQ syntax: query syntax and method syntax. Query syntax LINQ supports query syntax which looks very similar to SQL. Here we are selecting employees whose salary is greater than 50,000. Both query syntax and method syntax gives the same output. Query syntax is written in multiple lines while the method syntax is written mostly in single line, and it is commonly used in real projects. We can see the output of method syntax. LINQ also support method syntax, which is more commonly used in real projects. Internally, C# compiler converts the query syntax to method syntax. Method syntax is generally written as a lambda style. Now, common LINQ methods. Some of them are where this is used for filtering. In this, we will filter the data. This returns only the IT department employees. We will see in the output. Next LINQ method is select. Select is used to choose a specific column. Here I am selecting only employee's name. The output is of all employees' name. Next is sorting methods. LINQ provides sortings using order by and order by descending. In order by, it is used for to arrange the details in ascending order by default. But in order by descending, it is used to sort the details in descending order. The output is in of ascending order. Next is order by descending. This sorts employees based on salary. Next LINQ method is aggregate method. LINQ provides aggregate methods like count, sum, max, min, and average. These methods execute immediately because they return a single value. Next is a element method. Element methods return single records. First, throws an exception if data is not found. So, make it clear if you know that data is present in list, then only use first, else it will return the exception. First, or default element method. This returns null instead of exception. So we use this method more often because it doesn't give exception. In this, we will use if else statement, and if the data is not found, then it will return the else statement, which is not found. Next is single. Single accepts exactly one record. And single or default also return the record if it is present in the details table, or else it will return the else statement. In single or default, we have passed the ID 10 and it is not present in our list table of employees. So this will return the else statement which is not found. This is the output of single or default method. Next is quantifier methods. Quantifier methods return true or false. They are of two types, any and all. Any checks if at least one record matches. All checks if all records satisfy a condition. If any of the one condition is not satisfied, then it will return the false statement. Next is distinct. This is used to find the different details of from the employee tables. It avoid the duplicate details. If any of the name is duplicate, then it will not return the duplicate name. It will return the distinct different names only. In this we are finding the different department name. This returns the unique departments and remove the duplicate values. This is also example of deferred execution. LINQ follows deferred execution by default. Even though the query is written earlier, it executes only when we iterate it. In this case, we have seen that we have to iterate it through for each loop. Since a new employee is added before iteration, it appears in the result. And this is our immediate execution. This forces the immediate execution. We use toList or toArray for this. Now the result is stored in memory and will not change. Both will provide the same output. Next is a GroupBy method. GroupBy is used to group data based on a common key. There is also partition methods. They are take and skip, which are used for pagination. They are commonly used in real application. In GroupBy, employees are grouped by department. GroupBy always returns groups, not single value. These all are IEnumerable query. It works in a memory data. Filtering happens inside the application. It is used in small data. And IQueryable is mainly used in databases